So imagine you just got in your car and you have a very important presentation to prepare or even a video to edit if you're a content creator. And guess what? You just found out the laptop is out of charge. And what do? Close your laptop and delay the work. Well, why delay when you can get the Stellar Drive XC200 LapDrive? So this particular gadget is a complete power solution, complete power station for your car. Yes, so the XC200 Pro is rated for a power rating of up to 200 watts, gets two dedicated AC ports, gets two dedicated fast charging USB-A ports and also PD delivery USB Type-C ports rated at 24 watts. And this gadget can power up to 6 different devices at the same time in your car. So which means even if your car is filled up with people, every single person can charge their smartphone, the tablet all together at the same time. So this device is not just limited to laptops or smartphones. You can also charge your iPads, your cameras, your razors, your car vacuum cleaners, your drone, your car refrigerator, even your printer. So this is the one-stop solution for all your power needs in the car, and this is definitely a must-have gadget for every single car owner. That being said, let's quickly jump on and show you a quick unboxing of the XC200, show you what you get inside the box and see if this is the perfect gadget for you. Let's take a look. So here's the XC200 Pro lap drive, and on top you can see the Stellar Drive branding. This gets a 200 watt power rating, gets a quick charge 24 watt support and also a PD Type-C port of 24 watts. There are some features highlighted at the back of the box, which also includes all the different items and all the different gadgets which you can use along with the XC200 Pro. But before we actually move into the unboxing, there are some important instructions. So when connecting to the car socket, the maximum output power depends on the car's fuse. So example, if the fuse is 15 amp, the output is 15 into 12, that's 180 watts. So it depends on the fuse type in the car. And the car engine should be started before the inverter connecting to the car outlet to avoid draining the car battery. So this is also a very important aspect. Do not use this device when the car is off because it will drain your battery. And then switch off the inverter when you have finished using it. So you need to basically power off the XC200 after you have used it and do not leave it on for the extended duration of time. So you basically get only two different things in the box. One is the inverter user manual, wherein you get all the technical specifications and all the instructions regarding this device. And here you have the XC200 Stellar Drive LapDrive, gets two dedicated AC outlets, gets a fast charging 24 watt USB-A, two of them, and a power delivery 24 watt Type-C, two of them together. And you also get a power on and off button right here. At the other end you get a 12 volt charger which plugs in into the 12 volt socket of your car. Additionally, you get vent holes right here. So this is crucial and this is important for proper cooling of the device. So you need to make sure that you don't block this portion whenever you're using this particular device. So this is a crazy good device. This is an amazing device. So let's just plug it into my laptop and show you how exactly this works out. So here's my laptop with absolutely no charge. And the first thing which you need to do before connecting to the laptop is make sure that your car is turned on, your engine is turned on. And once that's done, take the XC200 and just plug this into the 12 volt socket of your car. So for me in my Kia Seltos, the 12 volt socket is right here below the armrest. So I'm just going to plug it in. And now as you can see, when I turn on, I get a blue LED indicator showing that it's working properly and power supply is available. So first thing which I need to do is just open up my laptop, plug in the power connector into the laptop, take the 3-pin adapter and plug it into the XC200 power adapter. Once that's done, just press the power button on the XC200. And now I'm getting power on my laptop and my laptop is currently charging. So that's about it. Very simple and very easy. And even in case if I want to charge my smartphone, I'll just plug in a Type-C port and plug in the other end into the Type-C port of the Stellar Drive. And here you go. Super fast charging has now started up on my smartphone. So I'm currently using two different devices, my laptop and my smartphone together, charging using the XC200. So after personally trying and testing out the XC200 extensively, I definitely think this gadget has a lot of potential and this gadget has a lot of use case scenarios which definitely would apply to every single car owner. And considering this gadget comes in at a price of less than 3,500 rupees, would definitely make this a must have and one of the most useful car gadgets which you can buy for your car right now. That being said, if you are interested in grabbing this device for yourself, the purchase link is given right down below in the description. Go ahead and grab it right now before somebody else does. And if you do have any doubts or queries regarding this, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in one way or the other, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of Gizmobeep right now. Smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who definitely deserve to have a car gadget like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.